The EA mask releases chlorine dioxide molecules into the air. As a result, the coverage is three-dimensional around your body, which leaves no blind spots. Moreover, the concentration of the chlorine dioxide released is only 0.017 ppm. This concentration is far below the 0.1 ppm international threshold limit, TLV-TWA, for toxic gas. Chlorine dioxide has been categorized by WHO as an A1 disinfectant. This means that WHO do not set a limit for the acceptable daily intake, ADI, for chlorine dioxide, which means it can hardly be considered toxic. The EA mask is very convenient to use. It is stable, lasts up to 30 days, and can effectively kill up to 99.9% of viruses, germs, and fungi within a 1 meter distance. The product is suitable for anyone to wear, including newborn babies and pregnant women.